Hi guys, this is Saurav Verma, student of Suresh Gandhi University, BTech third year, Computer Science Department. We have gathered here to know about my minor project on online jewelry portal. Wherever we will discuss how to work on this project. First of all, whenever we listen the name of online shopping, we just remember one thing that it will reduce our work effort and many other things. If we are discussing about our minor project, just come to the point. The minor project in online jewelry center, and my store name is Shubham Jewelers. Here we have gathered to know about the project working. We have tested it and it's working very clearly. Suppose we have to purchase golden mangalsutra or rings, such like a golden gems ring. You are coming on my shop and just choosing one model. Just click on it. After choosing, if you want to see it on zoom view, you can see it by this way. After that, if you don't like this, you can select another model. Yeah. अरे यार बोल का देता लग. Now you can select another model. If you don't like, you may select another model. It's purely our shop provides 23 karat purely gold material. So there is no worry of any type of fault in the product. So like if you need earrings, you may just come to earring model, just choose it and you can see it by zoom. If you want to purchase a golden mangalsutra, you can just come to golden mangalsutra, just select and take a zoom view of this product. If you like this model, just add it to cart. After adding it to cart, you will be able to see that the shopping cart will have one material, one item. But until it will be not a login ID, without login ID, you will not be able to purchase any material. So you have to create your account. If you have already created your account, just go and log in your account. Such like I have registered my account. Just log in and you will be able to see that you are logged in as Saurabh and the whole amount will be sold 7,800 rupees. Now you can check out if you want to this order final, then you will check out. If you have any existing address, then you may click continue. After that you can also provide your new address if you want to change your delivery billing details or any other thing. So I am choosing continue. I have an existing address. Now delivery details. If you want to deliver it on another address, just provide your name and the further details. If you want to provide on an existing address, just make it continue. After that, the delivery method comes. For delivery method, if you want to pick up from a store, then you just click on continue, select and click on continue. If you want free shipping, just click on free shipping and continue. After continue, it will need your delivery payment method. If you want to pay online, just pay online, or if you want to make cash on delivery, I am just making cash on delivery. For this, you have to accept the terms and conditions of our site. Continue. After making it continue, the order of your golden mangalsutra model fancy quantity 1, price 7,800 rupees will be shown. Here your shipping charge is free, so no shipping charge cost. Now you can make your order confirm. After making your order confirm, you will be able to see the message your order has been processed. Your order has been successfully processed. You can view order history by going my account page and by clicking on history. If you want, if your purchase is an associated download, you can go to the account downloads page to view them. Please direct any question you have to the store owner. Thanks for serving with us online. Continue. After making continue, you will be able to come to home page. Now your your shopping cart is empty. It means your order has been shipped. Now you can make your account log out and thank you. Thanks.